Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically find and join new servers on Discord. So select this, which is at the very bottom if you have more servers than I do. Select it and select whichever topic interests you. So I'm just going to go to gaming and I'm going to select Valorant because I'm interested in joining this community. Then I'm going to select join Valorant and it's going to show this to me. I'm just going to type in server events and Valorant esports, press next, press finish. And then here, I must be a member for at least 10 minutes to be able to send messages to the server. But it just shows me just makes me a member in 10 minutes. And then I'll be able to join like channels and stuff like that and join this community. That's what I've been trying to say, but I couldn't word it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.